Good morning students. St. Elizabeth School Anjar, Standard 8, Subject Maths, Chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Now our next topic is quadrilateral. Now what is the meaning of quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides. The word quadrilateral comes from Latin words quadri, which means a variant of 4, and lateral means side. Properties are with 4 sides, with 4 angles, with 4 vertex, and with 1 pair of diagonals. Interior angle sum property. According to this property, the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. This is the diagram. See, 100, 100, 110 and 50. Total is 360 degree. And another second diagram, 90, 90, 90, 90 plus is 360 degree. Next is exterior angle sum property. According to this property, the sum of exterior angle of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Example is diagram. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Both are exterior. Add this. So complete is 360 degree. Sum of the measure of the exterior angle of a polygon. If you count one exterior angle at each vertex, the sum of the measure of the exterior angle of a polygon is always 360. The measure of each exterior angle of an equiangular angon is 360 degree divided by n. N means number of sides. And all the polygons, exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree, always 360 degree. Let us understand with example. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon which exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. Now see here, degree is given, but number of side is not given, and it's a regular polygon. We don't know which polygon is that. So our answer, total measure of all exterior angle equal to 360 degree. We know that all exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 degree. Measure of each exterior angle equal to 45 degrees given. So the number of exterior angle equal to 360 degree divided by 45 degree. So our answer is 8. The polygon has 8 sides. Let us take another example. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, 12 sides. Now here side is given, measure is not given. Sum of all exterior angle of the given polygon equal to 360 degree. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon has the same measure. Thus, measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon equal to 12 sides. It means 360 degree divided by 12. So answer is 40 degree. Let us understand with some more example about sum of property, interior angle and exterior angle. Find the angles measure x in the following figure. Now see here, one diagram is given. Angle sum property formula is n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. Now see this figure. This figure is like as a pentagon because 5 sides are there. All sides are equal. It means it's a regular pentagon. Now sum of the measure of all interior angles of a pentagon. Formula is n minus 2 multiply 180. In pentagon 5 sides. So we can put here n value is 5. 5 minus 2 multiply 180 degree. 5 minus 2 means 3. 3 multiply 180 degree is 540 degree. It means this total angle is 540 degree. And here each vertex has x. We don't know what is the measure of this x. So 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. Total is 5x. And full pentagon degree is 540 degree. So x equal to 540 divided by 5. X equal to 108 degree. Now second figure, 50 degree, 130 degree, 120 degree and x. So we have to find this x. And these are four sides is given. It means this is a quadrilateral. So sum of the measure of all interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Same formula, n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. 4 side is given, 4 minus 2 multiply 180. 4 minus 2 means 2. 2 multiply 180 degree is 360 degree. It means each and every quadrilateral has 360 degree. So therefore 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. 50 plus 130 plus 120, it means 300 degree. 300 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Shifting here or transpose the one side constant, x equal to 360 degree minus 300 degree. Therefore x equal to 60 degree. Now our third figure. Here one triangle is given and 90 degree, 30 degree. Here degree is not given. We have to find out the value of x, value of y and value of z. We don't know what is the degree of exterior angle. So let us first x plus 90, this is the linear pair of angle x plus 90. It means this is 180 degree. So x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. 90 degree we can shift here, x equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore x value is 90 degree. It means this value is 90 degree. Now we find the value of z. Z plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree because this is a linear pair of angle. Z equal to 180 minus 30 degree. So z value is 150 degree. Now x, y and z, these are the exterior angle, and in any polygon exterior angle measure is 360 degree. Any polygon, this is a triangle, so in any polygon exterior angle is 360 degree. So we know that x plus y plus z equal to 360 degree. But here we got the value of x is 90 degree, z value is 150 degree. So we don't know what is the value of y. So sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. Therefore x plus y plus z equal to 360 degree. X is 90 degree. Y we don't know. Z is 150 degree equal to 360 degree. Y plus 90 plus 150 is 240 degree equal to 360 degree. Therefore y equal to 360 degree minus 240 degree. Therefore y equal to 120 degree. Now next figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 side is given. 5 side means this figure is pentagon. Outer degree is given. This one is 60 degree. This is 70 degree. And these both are 90 degree. We don't know what is the value of x. So sum of the measure of all exterior angle is 360 degree. It means all exterior angle total is 360 degree. It means this is 60 degree. This is 90 degree. This one is 70 degree and this one is x degree. In interior angle, it means inner side angle is 90 degree. It means outer side is also a 90 degree because these are linear pair angle. So this one is also a 90 degree. So sum of the measure of all exterior angle is 360 degree. It means 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x degree plus 90 degree equal to 360 degree. 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus 90 is 310 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. 310 we can shift here. X equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. Therefore x equal to 50 degree. Thank you. Next topic we will cover in next video.